Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term JFC. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, JFC is an abbreviation for Jesus Fing Christ, used to express shock or frustration. People use it when they're really surprised or annoyed. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. JFC first showed up in early internet chat rooms around the 1990s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among online communities and younger people. Now let's check out how to use JFC in a sentence. Correct example 1. When I saw the huge bill, I just typed JFC because I couldn't believe it. Correct example 2. JFC, did you hear about that crazy game last night? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said JFC at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using JFC right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. JFC means an exclamation of shock or frustration. It started in early internet chat rooms, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with JFC in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.